my name is Adelia Sharif, and today I will give my opinion about smoking on campus. In my opinion, smoking should not be allowed on campus because campus is a place for learning, and smoking can disturb other students who do not smoke. Besides, smoking is also unhealthy for oneself and others. Smoking can cause various diseases, one of which is lung cancer. Therefore, the university must create more green open space and people must be aware of the dangers of smoking so that no one smoke on campus again, so that we can live healthy life together. Hello guys, welcome back with me again, Adila Sharif, and now I'm going to explain about the question words, how to ask question in English easily and correctly. Before that, I want to explain the definition of question words. Question words are words used to ask question and get specific information. For example, what to ask about a thing or information, why to ask for a reason, when to ask about time, where to ask about a place, who to ask about a person, which to ask for choice, how to ask for details or manner of something. The structure of question words is question words plus auxiliary verb plus subject plus main verb. So, let's discuss about them one by one. The first one is what. We use what to ask about a thing or information. The structure of what is what plus auxiliary verb plus subject plus main verb. For example, what is your name? What is your job? And what are you doing? Next, why. We use why to ask for a reason. The structure of why is why plus auxiliary verb plus subject plus main verb. For example, why are you sad? Why are you late? And why is he crying? Next is when. We use when to ask about time. The structure of when is when plus auxiliary verb plus subject plus main verb. For example, when will they arrive? When is your birthday? And when do you wake up? Next is where. We use where to ask about a place. The structure of where is where plus auxiliary verb plus subject plus main verb. For examples, where do you live? Where is my phone? Where is he from? Next is who. We use who to ask about a person. There are two differences about the words. When who is the subject and when who is the object. When who is the subject, for example, is who called you, who opened the door, who made this cake. And when who is the object, for example, is who do you love, who are you talking to, who is playing the guitar. Next is which. We use which to ask for choice. The structure of which is which plus auxiliary verb plus subject plus main verb. For examples, which is your car? Which color do you like? Which book do you want? Next is how. We use how to ask for details and manner of something. The structure of how is how plus auxiliary verb plus subject plus main verb. For example, how are you today? How old are you? How tall is your brother? And that's all I can explain. I apologize if there are any sentence or word that are unclear because I admit that I still have a lot to learn. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.